Hey guys, I want to take the chance to thank you for another great month of children's ministry. I want to thank you for those who were able to make it to the volunteer training night a few weeks ago, and for those of you that weren't able to make it, we missed you there, and you missed out on some good stuff. But I want to let you know today, for those of you who weren't able to make it, about something that we're starting called team lunches. And in the children's ministry here at First Wesley Church, we don't want you to ever feel like you're doing this alone, that you have to try to figure out how to reach these kids on your own. We want you to feel like you're part of a team that's going after something together, because we're better together than we are alone. And so what we wanted to do was provide a space um, for you to get with other people who are serving in the same room as you, so that you guys could figure out together what works and what doesn't, and what's effective and what isn't, and how to best reach these kids that are coming through these doors. You are invited to a team lunch, and what it will consist of is this: we're going to provide you with lunch. We're going to watch your kids for you, and we're gonna all come together, you and everyone else that works in the same room as you, and we're gonna get together so that you guys have time and a place to share ideas, and to share wins and losses, and work together to figure out what it is that makes this ministry effective in reaching kids. And so, wanted to give you some dates for that. If you are in the nursery, if you work in the nursery, your team lunch is going to be October 20th, and that will be right after the second service. So sometime around noon, we'll meet in the fellowship hall. If you're in the toddler room, your date will be October 27th. If you are in Club 45, yours will be November 17th. And then if you're in the loft, yours will be November 24th. So again, these will all take place after the last services on a Sunday morning, and we're going to provide the lunch for you, and we'll watch your kids, so that you can be a part of a team that's going after the same thing together. And we're really excited about this, and we think this is going to be a really valuable time. And so I can't wait to meet with you guys and your team, so that we can make this ministry the best it can be. Thank you so much.